Okay, let me see. I'm going to do one of these eyes closed, moving in circles things.
What's that?
Right in the middle. Okay. Eyes closed, random picker.
I'll just help you with the force.
Okay, cool, thanks.
And I'll help you roll.
Double force.
Yeah.
There we go. And this music just makes it build. Oh, and another one we don't have. Common. So, but check it out. And now, boom, back to back. Our commons and rares are completed.
We are almost done.
Almost done,
Yeah.
but there we go. Oh, and look, 58. Another. Wait, was the other one 58?
Yes.
We have two with the exact same cereal. Is that right, bud? 58 and a 58. Look at that. Two with the exact same serial number and a 25. That's low, but weird. Yep. How do you like that? Two with the exact same serial. That's wild stuff. Man, all right, so we opened what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We opened up 8. And of the 8, 6 have been unique and only 2 dupes. We're on a pretty good run of getting unique ones and building out the collection.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, cool. Man, good energy. Love it. We're going to keep it going.
Yeah.